I'm Paul, and
you should start dancing. We're playing some EDM. Come on, this will go viral like those.
Tell anybody last night the room time before? No.
Paul, say something funny.
Something funny.
Say something funny. Our first stop.
Alright.
Oh, there's a McDonald's.
Let's get a job real quick at McDonald's. Sweet.
Oh, they'll hire us.
Can you pay us for an hour?
You can be the manager.
Oh yeah.
Everyone in the van just gets this job for like an hour.
I could just hop behind the counter and just start ringing up orders.
Make a mean Oreo McFlurry.
A what?
A mean Oreo McFlurry.
I thought you said bean.
What the fuck would you...
Nothing says "I love you, Mom" like a nice gas station T-shirt.
America's Highway.
Are we even on Route 66?
I don't think so.
I don't think we are either.
I think just because Route 66 goes through some people's state, they're just like, yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we have that. We're so proud.
Like almost half of the, like directly half of the United
Yeah.
States is Route 66.
52 things husbands need from their wives.
Okay, I thought that said weed instead of...
Bible, maps, and charts in the middle of... Where even are we? Outside of Peoria?
Yeah.
We need that?
Near Springfield.
McLean, to be specific. Some more.
I need some cherry flip-flops. They're called hip-flops.
This is probably one of the more interestingest gas stations I've been to. Oh. What's your fun fact for the day? Paul, say something funny.
Well...
Say something funny.
And... Tits! Whoa. But only tits.
Four out of 10.
Said it before!
Hey!
I blew it up in Modern Warfare.
Boy.
No, I've never seen a sandwich.
Johnny, this one's for you.
Johnny, this one's for you. Well, this isn't the first time that... Crappy Dodge pickup. Order from the kids menu.
Kids menu? What are you, 12?
What are you, Paul?
What are you, a woman? This is where we are. Super smokers. There's Trevor. I wonder how the food tastes.
We're going to Garden City.
Are you hungry tonight? Elvis wants you. It's food. Really good food. Lots of barbecue sauces. The best one is Kansas City. And he's not using Kansas City.
Well, I'm using both. Just mix all of them together. Try that.
Except the Sweet Carolina and Texas one would be really weird. But it's cornbread. The food was pretty good. Yeah. Come here if you're ever in. Where are we?
Need a food. Dying.
Is it okay if you...
I don't even know where we are. Oh, Eureka, Missouri.
Yep.
We still have like what, 8 hours? 9 hours, 12 hours. We're just never going to be in Texas. Look what you guys are missing in Carroll Stream. We're in Missouri. Look how interesting this is.
I hate cool pics.
Look at all these trees you guys don't have back home. Look at all this nothing you guys don't have. You guys are missing out on so much. We're in Lebanon at a come and go. Because a woman was like that. I thought that was Victor, like, doing his impersonation of a stereotypical person, but no, it was an actual person. Y'all storm chasers? It really happened. Beef jerky.
What?
And Monster. That's how you do it. Alright, boys and girls, it's raining. This is the pre-chasing storms. We were even supposed to get storms today. Well, yeah, we were. That guy must regret buying a motorcycle. Joplin, Missouri. 3 years ago yesterday, they were hit with a tornado.
Welcome to Oklahoma.
Oklahoma. We are in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Yay! Still 4 hours away from our hotel. Those
Come on,
local
mate.
people. Well, 13 hours later, we are here in Wichita Falls, Texas. I need to pee. Let's check in with Trevor. How do you feel after this 13-hour adventure?
I feel exhausted, a little bit nauseous, and just absolutely perfect to find storms after I sleep.
Let's interview Paul. How do you feel after this 13-hour journey? No violence.
Sorry.
Keep it PG for the families.
I just feel gross. I just want to take a shower.